Today we're going to introduce the Space DIY color changing light lamp set for kids, a wonderful arts and crafts set for kids to play with. This space light lamp looks like a stained glass lamp. How pretty is that? It is a great gift for little astronauts to decorate their rooms with. Tons of kids from different parts of the world love DIY projects. We shared our passion of DIY with children in Hong Kong. Let's see how much fun they had with this light lamp kit. They were so excited when they were only unpacking. Imagine how happy they were going to be when they start making their customized light lamps. This kit includes pre-cut PP sheet for lampshade, the base, window panes, color-changing LED modules, and battery box. All you need are 2 AA batteries. Children just need to follow the simple instructions at the back of the box. And voila! Presenting a unique light lamp made by your youngest talented artist. Children can use their imagination and creativity to make their unique space light lamp. Apart from just using the window panes provided, kids can mix the colors and create the most beautiful light lamp you have ever seen. Look at this light lamp. The color of the LED changes constantly. It is so mesmerizing that I could watch it all night. Let your kids have fun by designing their own space light lamp. That's all for today. Bye-bye!